I'm excited. I'm going to do my first ever follow along class. We're going to do an off ice Axel class today. So hope you guys are ready for this one. Make sure we have a good pair of sneakers, got a water bottle, make sure we are stretched out and ready to go. Make sure we warmed up properly. You did 5 or 10 minutes of stretching, light jogging, etc. We're going to start off with knee ups. So I'm going to demonstrate it real quick. We're going to try to get our knee about waist level, arms going through. We're going to explode off our toe, trying to get good height. We're just going to get into that H position. So if you see when I'm all the way at the top, nice H. Aim for maximum height, just like in the Axel, and just land softly. Knees are gonna be slightly bent and about shoulder width apart. So let's go ahead and do 10 of those. Let's progress into hip snaps. So we're up for our Axel. We want to get maximal height before getting into our rotation. So getting up, thinking about jumping outside the circle, arms and knees slightly out to the side. We're going to grab our backspin because the Axel is essentially a 1.5 revolution backspin in the air. So focus on squeezing the core, quick snap. So let's go ahead and do 10 of those. All right, moving on to exercise drill number 3. For the Axel, common mistake, we got 1.5 times in the air, we're on the ice and we just fall. So why is that? We gotta get that nice strong check out. Focus on the snap. We're gonna take a couple hops, think about keeping the arms nice and tight and hopping out. That knee and that free leg will extend quicker than you think. So 10 of those. Good job, guys. So now we are gonna simulate what I often go through on the ice. So let's go through a walkthrough of that. We're gonna do all those same steps instead of hopping out. We're gonna rotate 1.5 times in the air. Majorly important in this, when we are rotating, we're keeping our shoulders nice and level. Make sure we're not going like this. Make sure we're not crunching. Make sure we're not looking down. Chest up and out. We don't want to go out of the jump like this. That's a common mistake. We're coming out down, reaching for the ice. It's already setting us up. So nice strong 1.5 rotations and check out. Remember, nice and confident. All right, guys, we covered getting maximum height. We covered getting quickly into our rotation. So now let's work on a little bit of timing. We want to make sure we're getting up nice and high in the air, but also that we're covering some surface area. We are going to do a humongous waltz jump, click in the air, clicking your ankles, and a nice landing. Let's do 10 of those. That's going to help us work on our timing going up and just preparing to quickly rotate, but we're just going to click the ankles. Alrighty guys, now let's slowly work our way up to 1.5 revolutions. So let's work on the bell jump. What does the bell jump teach us? We're gonna try to get around one time in the air. We're taking off forwards on the axle. We're gonna land forwards. This is just gonna help us build the confidence. Yes, we can get up in the air. Yes, we can rotate. It helps me to focus on a certain spot when I'm jumping outside my circle, meaning my left leg's following an imaginary curve, that left forward outside edge on the ice, my right knee, my right arm, I am taking off. So I think about a landmark, that like a target I am focusing myself at, so that will really help with good technique for the axle. Let's put it all together. Let's go ahead and try those off-ice axles. Show me what you got. When these axles are getting easy for you, you can do axle, toe hop, axle. You can play around with arms up in the air, so on and so forth. The possibilities are endless.